Good morning students. Today our topic is polynomial. Before starting our chapter of class 9th, chapter 2 polynomial, I want to introduce you from the definition of algebraic expression. Means what is the meaning of algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, as I wrote on the board, it is a combination of constants and variable with the help of arithmetic operations. Repeating again my definition of algebraic expression, it is a combination of constants and variables with the help of arithmetic operations. Here the word arithmetic operations. In this word there comes four types of operation of mathematics. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And I am using two words, constants and variables. Here the means of constant is the simple our real numbers like 2, 3, under root 2, 1 by 2 and so on. And the meaning of variable is like our English alphabets in the small letters, we always use them. Now I am taking an example for algebraic expression. Here on the board there is a definition of algebraic expression is a combination of constants and variables with the help of arithmetic operations. And these arithmetic operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There is an example for the arithmetic operation means algebraic expression. There is 2x square plus yz. 2x square plus yz. Here we have three types of variables, that is x, y and z. We have three variables x, y and z. There is a constant term is 2. Constant term is 2. When these constants come with the multiplication of the variable, अगर ये constant variable के साथ multiply होता है, then we will say it as the coefficient of that variable. तब हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? Coefficient of that variable. If this constant is without variable, then we will say it as a constant polynomial. अगर ये विदाउट वेरिएबल है तो ये एज अ कांस्टेंट ही बिहेव होता है, कांस्टेंट ही बोलते हैं. इफ दिस कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लाई विद द वेरिएबल देन वी विल से इट एज अ कोफिशिएंट. हम इसे क्या वर्ड बोलेंगे? कोफिशिएंट. नाउ आई एम टेकिंग वन मोर एग्जांपल फॉर द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, दैट इज 2 अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 1. 2 अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 1. नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पोलिनोमियल. Polynomial is also a algebraic expression. Polynomial is also a algebraic expression, but change is only that the power of variable should be the whole number. The power of variable should be the whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The power of variable should not be in the fraction, in the negative and so on. Clear है? ये जो दो एग्जाम्पल्स मैंने राइट किए हैं इन द केस ऑफ algebraic expression, first example is a algebraic expression, not a is also a polynomial, but second example is a algebraic expression which not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Why? Because there is under root on the x. And the meaning of under root is power 1 by 2. The meaning of under root is power 1 by 2. If power is 1 by 2, it is not a whole number. So we will say it only the algebraic expression, not a polynomial. Now we will discuss about the different types of the polynomial on the basis of their terms and degree. Before starting their types, I want to tell you the meaning of terms and the degree. The meaning of terms and the degree. In this example, we have 2x square plus yz. We have 2x square plus yz. There is one sign of addition which is joining these two terms. So we will say in this expression we have two terms. In this expression we have two terms. First one is 2x square and second one is yz. First one is 2x square and second one is yz. In this example, we have also two terms. First one is 2 under root x and second one is 1. First one is 2 under root x and second one is 1. So, in this way we will say these are the terms. And now about the degree. What is the meaning of degree? Degree is the maximum power of the variable. Degree is the maximum power of the variable. Now, on the basis of these two things, first one is term and second one is degree, I will tell you about the different types of the polynomial. Means we will give the name to the polynomial separately. Firstly, when we discuss about the terms, if there is only one term in the polynomial, we will say it as a monomial. हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Monomial. If there is two terms in the polynomial, then we will say it as a binomial. If there are three terms in the polynomial, then we will say it as a cubic polynomial. We will say it as a trinomial. Cubic polynomial will be on the basis of their degree. Okay. Now, on the basis of their degree, the first type is linear polynomial. If the degree is 1 of the polynomial, if the degree is 1 means maximum power of variable is 1, then we will say it as a linear polynomial. If maximum power of variable is 2 means degree is 2, then we will say it as a quadratic polynomial. If maximum power of variable is 3, then we will say it as the cubic polynomial. Now I am writing there different types of the polynomial with their example so that it can be clear. On basis of terms, and here I will write on basis of degree. Firstly, on the basis of term, I am writing here monomial. Its example will be 2x. Second one, binomial. I can take here the example as 2x square plus yz. Here we have two terms. First one is 2x square and second one is yz. Now the third one is trinomial. Its example will be 2x square plus x plus 1. Here we have three terms. First one is 2x square, second one is x and third one is 1. That is a constant. Now on the basis of their degree, firstly we will say it as a linear polynomial. Its example will be x plus 1. Here the power of x is 1, so we will say it as a linear polynomial. Second, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial where the maximum power of variable is 2. Maximum power of variable is 2. So we will say it as the quadratic polynomial. Now in the third part, cubic polynomial. Its example will be x cube plus 1. Here the maximum power of variable is 3. Now in the fourth part I can take it as biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. In the biquadratic polynomial the maximum power of variable will be 4. So I can take it example 3x raised to the power 4 plus x cube plus 4. Here the maximum power of x is 4. So we will say it as a biquadratic polynomial. On the basis of this theory, we will discuss our exercise 1.1, that is so simple, in which we have to tell it is a polynomial or not. It is monomial, binomial, trinomial, what is the degree of the given polynomial, and so on. The next exercise is about the zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial means what will be the zero of a polynomial? The value of the variable. I am taking the polynomial only in the one variable. If for any value of x, the value of polynomial becomes 0, the value of polynomial becomes 0, then we will say it as the zero of the polynomial. Then we will say it as the zero of the polynomial, and other word that is used in the place of zero is the root of the polynomial, Now I am taking an example for a polynomial. From where I will tell you about the zeros of the polynomial. Let us take a polynomial. I am representing it as px. P stands here for the polynomial and x is the variable in which I am taking our polynomial. Let us take a polynomial as x square minus 1. X square minus 1. Now, in this polynomial, we will take the value of x. We will take the value of x such that so that their value of polynomial becomes 0. Now, if the value of x is 1 or minus 1, if the value of x is 1 or minus 1, the value of polynomial for x is equal to 1 will be 0. And same as for the value minus 1, the value of polynomial again become 0. So we will say 1 and minus 1 both are the zeros of the polynomial. So we will say 1 comma minus 1 are zeros of a polynomial. If we take x is equal to 2, if we take x is equal to 2 and add this value, the value of the polynomial become 3, that is not equal to 0. So we will say 2 is not the zero of the polynomial. At any 0, the value of the polynomial becomes 0, then only we will say this is the zero of that polynomial or this is the root of that polynomial. In this question, 1 and minus 1 are the zeros, or we can say are the roots of the polynomial px. This is the term of the zeros. And we can find the value of the polynomial at any value of x by putting the value of x in the polynomial. So this was the method. In the same way, we can check the given value of x is 0 of that polynomial or not. कोई भी वैल्यू अगर आपको दी गई है और आपसे कहा गया check this is a zero of the polynomial or not, then you will put the value of the variable in that polynomial and evaluate it. If at last the result becomes 0, then you will say yes, it is a 0 of the polynomial. If it does not become 0, then you will say it is not a 0 of the polynomial. On this basis, we will do the exercise 2.2. Let us take one or two examples. From where we will check the given value of x is 0 of that polynomial or not. And the question may be in this way: find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial. We will put the polynomial is equal to 0. We will put the polynomial in this question is equal to 0, and then we will evaluate the value of variable. In this way we can find the zeros of the polynomial. अगर किसी polynomial की जीरो फाइंड करने के लिए आपको कहा जाता है, then you will put that polynomial is equal to 0. तो आप क्या करेंगे, उस polynomial को 0 के इक्वल पुट करेंगे, then you will find the value of the variable. बात ध्यान रखिएगा, आपका जो polynomial जितनी भी डिग्री का है, if it is the linear polynomial means degree is 1, there will be only one zero of that polynomial. There will be only one zero of that polynomial. If the polynomial is quadratic means its degree is 2, there will be two zeros of the polynomial. If the polynomial is cubic, then there will be three zeros of the polynomial. There will be three zeros of the polynomial. मीन्स जितने भी डिग्री का पोलिनोमियल होगा उस पोलिनोमियल की उतनी ही जीरोज हम फाइंड करेंगे या कर सकते हैं. लेट अस टेक अ एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का एक पार्ट मैं ले रही हूँ. इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव गिवन अ पोलिनोमियल. We have given a polynomial that is 3x plus 1, and we have to check x is equal to minus 1 by 3, is it 0 or not. Then we will put at the place of x in the polynomial the value minus 1 by 3. Now I am putting the value at the place of x. Now I will solve this. 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, and the remaining result will be minus 1 plus 1, that will become 0. So we will say x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of polynomial px. And the another type of question in which we have to find the zero of the polynomial. Let us take the same question. Question is asking from us px is equal to 3x plus 1, find its 0. Find its 0. Then we will put our polynomial is equal to 0. From here we will find the value of x. Firstly we will take our constant term on the right hand side, that will become minus 1. Then we will divide it by 3. The value of x become minus 1 divided by 3. The value of x become minus 1 divided by 3. In this way we can find the zeros of the polynomial. बेटा एक पोलिनोमियल आपका कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल भी होता है, वो मैंने टाइप्स में नहीं बताया है, आप ऐड कर लीजिएगा. कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल, a polynomial that is without variable, a polynomial that is without variable, or you can say the degree of the polynomial is 0, the degree of the variable is 0, then we will say it as a constant polynomial. For example, 3 is also a polynomial. 3 is also a polynomial which is a constant polynomial, which is a constant polynomial whose degree becomes 0, because when we multiply 3 by x raised to the power 0, it become a variable of this polynomial whose degree is, whose power is 0. So we will say the power or degree of every constant polynomial is 0 except 0 polynomial. मैंने एक वर्ड यूज किया except 0 polynomial, because 0 is also a polynomial which called 0 polynomial, but degree of 0 polynomial is not 0. Degree of 0 polynomial is not 0, because if we multiply by 0x raised to the power 0, we get 0. If we multiply 0 with x raised to the power 1, again we is 0. If we multiply 0 with x raised to the power 0, we again get 0. So there is no definite power of x for which the polynomial will become 0. So we will say the degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. The degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. अगर क्वेश्चन आता है what is the degree of the 0 polynomial, then you will say it is not defined. It is not defined. अब same as क्वेश्चन आ जाए what is the zeros of the 0 polynomial. What is the zeros of the 0 polynomial? Then you will say all the real numbers. All the real numbers are the zeros of the polynomial. जैसे हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया 0 इंटू एक्स रेज टू द पावर 0. जीरोज होता क्या है कि हम x की कुछ ऐसी वैल्यू पुट कर दें जिससे पोलिनोमियल क्या हो जाए हमारा 0. अब इन दिस क्वेश्चन आई कैन पुट एनी वैल्यू ऑफ x फॉर विच दिस पोलिनोमियल बिकम 0. अगर मैं x की कोई भी रियल नंबर पुट करती हूँ ऑल ओवर रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 0. वो भी सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. देन वी विल से द जीरोज ऑफ अ 0 पोलिनोमियल इज रियल नंबर एंड डिग्री ऑफ द 0 पोलिनोमियल इज नॉट डिफाइंड. ये दोनों पॉइंट आपको मार्क करने हैं. क्या बोला मैंने? zeros of a 0 polynomial is all the real numbers and degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. ओके बेटा, ये थी हमारी एक्सरसाइज 1.2 और 1.2 का बेसिक. देन वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट.